Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And continuing on with what I've been doing with my pottery wheel and my Artist Loft paints, I'm going to try this again. I love what came out the last time I did this. So I'm going to continue on and try and replicate what I was doing, maybe in a different way. So I have my wheel on and I'm going to start spinning it slowly. And I'm trying to get right in the middle here. So I want to make a circle of white, and this is what I did. I started out with my white. And that is Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Arteza pearl white. And I do believe the next color I used was the Artist Loft pre-mixed turquoise. Okay. And after the turquoise, I do believe I used my blue. I don't have too much of this blue. Okay. And I know after that blue, I did some yellow. And I know that because yellow and blue makes green, and I know I got some green in that painting. Okay. And last but not least is the orange. And I'm going to lift this and try and get this all okay. And there's the orange. Now I'm going to stop this. I'm going to bring this all together. I'm wondering if I should put a little white around the edge. I don't have much here, but I have a little Artist Loft white. And I didn't worry about the outside colors getting on the inside because this was all about just making lines. That's all it was. I'm not making a flower. if I crinkle up these lines, how beautiful this will come. I'm gonna try that this time. Alright, so like I said, this is not about the design on the outside. We're just gonna try and work our way, and let's see what happens here. Alright, I actually love the way this looks right here, right there and now. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna start slow. That looks really pretty. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to try that a little more. Not too much more, because I'm loving it. This is absolutely beautiful. I love all these colors mixed in together. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I know I love it. I love it absolutely. This is just stunning to me. So please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. I don't know what you call this, but this is my pottery wheel masterpiece. Send your friends, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye now. I will take you in for a close-up.